This is my rebuild kit that I bought on eBay, and then this is my master cylinder. So the problem with this is the first cylinder is not properly working, so that's the one that I need to replace. But I have a whole kit, but I want to replace the new one only in the first cylinder. Yeah, so first, before you carry out to remove the internal parts, so I already removed this. So this is the lock of a master cylinder. So this is the lock. So I will remove this first, the lock of the cylinder. So and after that I will remove also the reservoir, and then after that you remove this, put in safe place, and then after that so you remove the piston. Using that, then pull it little by little. So here's the internal. So the only problem of this is this rubber cap is not working properly. Then the other side is fine, so no need to change the new one. So the next step is to remove the spring and then replace the rubber cap. Where is it? So I already removed, and then take this out, remove the old rubber cap. So there's a small split here, so I will change a new one. So this is the replacement one. So install this, and then put back the spring in, and then back the screw. There's a star screw or Phillips screw inside. Make it tight a bit, and then remove all the dust, dirt. So I already installed, so this is the old one, so I already installed the new one. Where is it? So after that I will put back the piston back, and reinsert the ring. ring lock. Okay. So here is it. I already reinstalled. Put back this, and after that the screw as well. There we go. So everything is in place. So I will try to pump it if it's working. So everything is fine now. So I already in place back the replacement. So the next step is to I reinstall this in my car. So here is it. So the internal parts of this is already new.